Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. These two are the optic nerve. Optic nerve. Can you see under here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. These two are the oculomotor nerve. This here is the trigeminal nerve. This here, white, is the trochlear nerve. And we have these right here. Oh, I'm sorry. These right here. This one, and this one. We have the abducens nerve, facial nerve, vestibular cochlear nerve, and then we have this one right here in the back is the glossopharyngeal nerve. Right underneath it is the vagus nerve. Right here in the front, this little bunch right here is the hypoglossal nerve. And these down here are the accessory nerves.